Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is March 12th, 2026, and the top cryptocurrency news is as follows. And we start our episode with Mastercard, which is launching a partner program to unite cryptocurrency companies. This initiative is designed to connect crypto financial institutions and payment providers. Among the participants, we obviously have many exchanges and chains such as Binance, Circle, Gemini, Paxos, Ripple, Polygon, Solana, Crypto.com, Canton, Netcork, and others. In total, more than 85 companies will come together to unite the cryptocurrency market a little more. Continuing, since I also mentioned Binance, let me tell you that the US Department of Justice is investigating whether Iran used Binance to get rid of international sanctions. Citing sources familiar with the matter, the WSJ reports that officials have spoken to people who know of transactions that led to more than $1 billion being funneled through the exchange to Iran-backed terrorist groups. And Binance's response is that first, they are not aware of any such investigation, and second, they are suing the Wall Street Journal because the news they reported was incorrect based on Binance. Moving on from Binance, we will also go to Ripple, which seems to want to buy back shares at a valuation of $50 billion. As we learn that cryptocurrency financial services company Ripple has begun buying back up to $750 million worth of shares from employees and investors at a valuation of $50 billion. Very good news for Ripple because it will have money to move, as you understand. Going straight to the cryptocurrency market now, we see that Bitcoin is at $69,000, with the price refusing to break above our resistance. And we learned from the US economy that core CPI year over year came out and reached 2.5%, right where we expected. And on Friday, let me remind you that we also have PCE year over year in the US. Now we move from the Bitcoin price to the price of oil, which is at approximately $93, while a short time ago it was at $95. And key news that is helping oil rise is news such as that the largest oil company in the world is reducing production at 2 oil fields, that Iran's Revolutionary Guards fired on a Thai flag ship in the Strait of Hormuz, that Iraqi drones hit the largest oil storage facilities in Oman, although Iran denied this attack, calling it highly suspicious. The latest and most recent incident is that an Iraqi drone hit an oil storage facility at the Bahrain airport. So this is the news that is helping to push up the price of oil. Now we get to the news that doesn't help the price go up, and that's news like Japan opening its oil reserves for the first time in 50 years due to the market situation. 80 million barrels of oil will be released starting March 16th, and we also learned that President Trump is ordering the release of 172 million barrels of oil from the US Strategic Petroleum Reserve. 400 million barrels will be released to many countries in the coming weeks. And this is not, as I said, news that will help the price of oil go up and move our own market as well. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, March 12th, 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.